Welcome to another Foxwell TPMS training video. In this video, I will explain the TPMS servicing menus of the Foxwell TS series tools and when you might need these features. We will primarily focus on the diagnostic options for various scenarios. To start TPMS servicing, choose the TPMS menu in the opening page, then choose the vehicle brand, model, and year option. Before servicing any vehicle with TPMS sensors, it is highly recommended to scan all existing sensors fitted to the vehicle. By doing this scan, you will have the following information: the ID number of the sensors fitted in each position. This will help you to compare the scanned locations of the sensor ID numbers with the registered positions of the ID numbers in the vehicle ECU. The general status of each sensor, including information such as the current measured pressure, tire temperature, and battery status. In some cases the sensor may be good enough to be scanned, but it may have malfunctioning components such as temperature sensor, pressure sensor, or low battery. Observing the values scanned, you can detect this kind of sensor malfunctions. In the Sensor ID menu, you can view both the registered ID numbers in the vehicle's ECU and the scanned ID numbers of the existing sensors in the tires on the same page. Suppose a vehicle's TPMS light indicates a system malfunction, and after scanning, all existing sensors appear to be working correctly. In such cases, this menu serves as the next step to verify if the scanned ID numbers are correctly aligned with their designated positions according to the information stored in the vehicle's ECU. Furthermore, this menu offers the option to record this information in the tool, send it via email to the customer, or generate a printable format for a printer. The next menus under the Diagnosis section are the Read Codes and Clear Codes menus. Suppose you have scanned all the sensors in the vehicle, verified that all sensor ID information is correctly registered in the vehicle's ECU. In this case, the Read Codes menu should be the next step in diagnosing the TPMS system. In the Read Codes menu, you will obtain existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and their explanations related to the TPMS system of the vehicle. Here, you can identify the reason for the TPMS light indicating a malfunction. After performing the necessary repairs on the system components, you can then clear the DTC codes by using the Clear Codes menu and turn off the dashboard TPMS light. In the Diagnosis section, you'll find the Live Data menu. Here, you can monitor real-time TPMS data from the vehicle, including registered ID numbers and live sensor information. You can track changes in sensor values throughout the vehicle trip. This menu is invaluable for observing and recording the behavior of installed sensors during a journey. By reviewing the time graphic recordings provided in this menu, you can quickly identify any abnormal sensor behavior during the trip. If you have installed a new sensor with a new ID number, or if the sensor ID locations on the vehicle are incorrect, you can utilize the OBDII Relearn menu found under the Diagnosis section. Before using this menu, it is essential to scan the vehicle sensors. Following the instructions provided in the Tool menu, you will easily register either the new ID numbers or the correct locations of the existing ID numbers to the vehicle's ECU. This ensures proper communication between the sensors and the vehicle's TPMS system. In the Service Function menu, you have the option to view or adjust the target pressure for each tire, if it is permitted by the vehicle manufacturer. For instance, let's consider a scenario involving a Ford F-150 truck. The vehicle originally came fitted with smaller tires requiring higher pressure. However, with a new set of larger tires, the recommended air pressure is significantly lower than the existing pressure targets set for the vehicle. By accessing this menu, you can update the pressure targets for each tire to align with the specifications for the new tires. This adjustment helps prevent the TPMS light from triggering low air pressure warnings, ensuring optimal tire performance and safety. In this video, I have explained how to diagnose TPMS malfunctions in a vehicle using the Foxwell TS series Android TPMS service tools. If you still need assistance with using any Foxwell tool for TPMS servicing, please don't hesitate to contact us via our direct support email, service@foxwelltech.com, or submit an inquiry on the technical support page of foxwelltpms.com. Thank you for choosing Foxwell TPMS products.